You need to hear this if you're a business owner. Your reputation could make or break your business. In today's digital age, your online reputation is everything. Positive reviews build trust and credibility, making customers choose you over competitors. But did you know it also boosts your sales? Good reviews can increase conversions, while bad ones can drive customers away. Managing your reputation means controlling what people see online. It's your first impression, a crucial one. And it's not just about customers. A strong reputation attracts top talent too. Prevent crises before they escalate by addressing negative feedback right away. Responding to reviews shows you care, building customer loyalty. Want a competitive edge? A solid reputation can be the deciding factor for customers. Plus, it can improve your SEO, driving more traffic to your site. So keep an eye on what's being said about your business. Encourage positive reviews and always respond professionally. Your success depends on it. Stay tuned for more tips.